Hi everyone, welcome to KJ's Kitchen with me Saranya. Today we're going to see the preparation of Hyderabadi Chicken Dum Biryani. Take 2 cups of basmati rice and soak for 30 minutes. For homemade biryani powder, take half bay leaf, half star anise, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. You can control the spice level by increasing or decreasing it. And then we need to take 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 2 small pieces of cinnamon stick, 2 cardamom, 2 cloves and 1 teaspoon of stone flour. Dry roast for a minute, turn off, cool down and make into a fine biryani powder. Take 20 to 25 cloves of garlic, a small piece of ginger and 6 green chilies and blend into a fine paste. I have got 1 cup of mint leaves and some coriander leaves. Chop it finely and keep it aside. Boil enough water in a saucepan by adding in 1 each of bay leaves, cinnamon, cardamom and clove. Once the water has come to a boil, let's add in some salt for your taste. And here is the basmati rice which I soaked it for 30 minutes. Now let's add it into the boiling water. Once you add in the basmati rice, stir it immediately or rice might stick to the bottom and cook for 10 minutes. Now the rice is 60 to 70% cooked. Turn off the stove and strain the water. Keep it aside for it to cool down. I've got 1 pound of chicken and add in some salt for your taste. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. You can add Kashmiri chili powder if you have, it gives you nice color. Half a tablespoon of coriander powder. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. It's almost used in all the non-vegetarian recipes in India because of its antimicrobial property. Now let's add in the biryani powder we made. You can add it completely. 1 tomato finely chopped. Ginger garlic paste. 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Squeeze in half a lemon. Mix it well, cover it and marinate it in the fridge for 30 minutes. You can also keep it overnight. In a large heavy bottom saucepan, add in 5 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of ghee, add in 2 medium-sized onions which are chopped, saute them. After 5 minutes it will be golden brown, but we need it to be dark brown. After 10 more minutes, onions are dark brown now. I'm going to take half of it for layering it later. Add in the marinated chicken with the rest of the onions. Saute it, keep the flame or heat in medium. Keep the stove in between medium and low. Close it with the lid and cook for 20 more minutes. After 20 minutes, take half of the chicken along with the gravy and retain the rest in the pan itself. Spread the chicken and gravy evenly in the pan. Turn off the stove. Spread the next layer with 60 to 70% cooked basmati rice. Next goes in the chicken layer and again the basmati rice. Next layer will be chopped mint and coriander leaves. Next we add in the sauteed dark brown onions. Basmati rice comes in for the next layer. Add in the rest of the chicken. Add some dark brown onions which we sauteed. And then the chopped mint and coriander leaves. Dilute 10 saffron strings in hot water. Add this saffron water on top of the layers. You can replace it with orange food color or kesar powder. 1 tablespoon of ghee. Finally, squeeze in some lemon juice. Close it with a heavy lid, which should be airtight. Preheat the oven for 350 Fahrenheit. Keep it in the oven for 15 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. Biryani is out from the oven now. I'm getting some nice flavors from biryani. Put the spatula all the way to the bottom and lift the layers. And the biryani is ready. For onion raita, take one medium-sized onion and chop it. Add in a pinch of black pepper powder, a pinch of garam masala powder or amchur powder or chaat masala, whatever you have. I'm adding garam masala powder, some coriander leaves, about a tablespoon of tomatoes, one tablespoon of carrot finely chopped, some salt for your taste. At last, add 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Yogurt should be so thick or else the raita is going to be watery. Mix it well. Onion raita is ready. Try this recipe and give your comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.